Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PowerWash Simulator 2 game crashing, not working, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on Nintendo Switch 2. So let's go through it. Is to restart your Nintendo Switch console. For that, you simply need to hold down the power button for few seconds and then select power option. After that, choose restart. Now wait for some time unless your console restarts, and after that check if the issue is resolved. If not, the next solution is to check for system update. For that, first you should check if the console update is going to system settings on home menu. After that, move down and select system. Next, choose system update to begin the update process. Here, if there is any update available, then the system will automatically check it for it. The third solution is to check for the game update or software update. For that, go to home menu, select the game or software that you want to update. Now press add, that is plus sign, on controller. After that, click on software update. Here, select via the internet option. Doing this will further check for updates, and once done, check if the issue is resolved. The next method is to check for the corrupted data. For that, you simply have to go to system settings and then go to data management. After that, choose manage software. Here, select problematic software and then check for corrupt data. Finally, wait for the process to finish and then click on done option. The next method is to delete system cache. Generally, the cache files that is collected can be corrupted and that can lead to such error. So what you should do is to delete the cache files by simply going to system settings and then click on system tab, then choose formatting options, and after that click on reset cache. Further, follow the instructions to delete the cache files. The next solution is to re-download the game. In this, you have to go to system settings from home menu. After that, move down and select data management and then click on manage software. Here, choose the game you want to remove. After that, select delete software. Confirm by selecting delete. Once done, reinstall the game by opening Nintendo eShop on home menu. Here, select your account that you want to use. After that, click on profile picture and then move down and choose re-download option. Here, search the game that you want to download and then choose download button beside it. The next method is to try different account. If the issue continues with the same account that you are using, then you should change your Nintendo Switch account and try with any other account. This is an useful way to bypass the problem you are coming through. When all the above methods doesn't work, then the final method suggested is to contact Nintendo Switch customer support team. So I have provided the link in the descriptions that will help you to go through the customer support page. Simply select the issue you are going through it and then follow the instructions as guided. So all these methods are suggested to follow to fix the crashing or any other issue that you are going through while playing the game. That's all for now. Thank you.